domain, Archaea. The podcast is going to focus on this unique group of bacteria. So the Archaebacteria are ancient bacteria that thrive in very unique places. They are prokaryotic. So if you remember from the previous podcast, that means they lack a true nucleus. All Archaebacteria are single-celled, and they can obtain their energy as either autotrophic, chemotrophic, or heterotrophic. They're classified based upon where they live and how they feed. So some of them are called METHANOGENS or THERMOACIDOPHILES. And they're very similar in structure to eubacteria, but their cell wall lacks peptidoglycan, which is a chemical that builds up the cell wall structure. So watch this little video to get a feel for what the Archaebacteria are like.
In the beginning of time, billions and billions of years ago, a cell was born. It was a unicellular prokaryotic bacteria with a name only he could possess. Archaebacteria. The Archaebacteria lived in the most extreme environments, so hostile that it would make a grown man cry. With extreme heats and oxygen nowhere to be found, he lived his life day by day. There are about 100 species in the Archaebacteria kingdom. I will share 3 examples with you. Prepare yourselves. The METHANOGENS. They produce methane from carbon dioxide and hydrogen. They die in the presence of oxygen and can be found in swamps and marshes. And cowiness. THERMOACIDOPHILES. They usually grow in hot acidic environments like hot springs and use hydrogen sulfide as an energy source. The Austin. Oh, sorry. I don't know how that got mixed in. Halophiles. It requires high concentrations of salt to survive. It lives in the Dead Sea and the Great Salt Lake. Until the 1950s, biologists thought that there were only 2 kingdoms. One for animals and one for plants. Boy, were they wrong. They had 0 kingdoms to cover fungi, protists, and bacteria. Also known as ancient bacteria, this cell is very important, for it is everywhere in the universe. From the inside of cows, termites, and marine life, it is also found at the bottom of the ocean and Yellowstone Park. Don't dare confuse it with eubacteria, for it consists of different structures, metabolisms, and environments. Archaebacteria is thought to be the start of civilization, paving the way for protists to rule the day. So the next time you stare into the eyes of an Archaebacteria, remember to smile and give it a thank you, for without it, you might not be here today. Snoochie booch.
Well, hopefully you found that moderately entertaining. So just to do a quick comparison of the Archaea to the eubacteria, here are some similarities and a few differences that are noteworthy. We'll see you tomorrow in class.